probably walking past priceless gemstones every day without realizing it. Don't make that mistake. There's a specific rock pattern, a secret earth code that screams, "Treasure nearby." Discover what it is so you never miss a fortune again. Humans have always searched for gemstones, rubies, sapphires, emeralds, diamonds, believing them fragments of Earth's magic. These treasures often appear miraculous, yet Earth leaves behind unmistakable clues, geological signatures etched in stone, whispering secrets of hidden riches. We unveil one of the greatest clues, a specific rock pattern understood by geologists and ancient explorers, reliably signaling nearby gemstones. Imagine hiking a rocky canyon. Sun beats down, cliffs rise, dust crunches. It seems ordinary until you notice it. A strange formation, rocks uniquely aligned. This distinct pattern, Earth's secret code, indicates gemstones are close. This knowledge sets us up perfectly for the geological blueprint, where gemstones are born. If you want to witness more secrets of Earth's treasures, subscribe now to Lix Gemstones, where every stone tells a story. While Earth's hidden magic hinted at geological signatures, understanding their origin is paramount. Earth's crust is not static. It's a living system, constantly shifting, colliding, and fracturing over millions of years. Beneath the surface, immense pressure builds and temperatures soar. Minerals transformed by this heat flow like molten rivers. From this profound geological chaos, gemstones are born. They never appear randomly. Instead, they manifest precisely along cracks, veins, and folds within the rock. These specific geological features act as critical conduits, concentrating energy, heat, and pressure. They create the exact conditions necessary for gemstone formation. This is the fundamental blueprint for where precious stones emerge, defined by layers of rock pushed, bent, and folded. These reveal the deep earth processes which sculpt the very patterns we now unveil. This specific rock pattern materializes as prominent zigzag veins, distinctly cutting across the plane surrounding stone. Elsewhere, it emerges as striking, alternating bands of color and texture that immediately draw the eye. Geologists and seasoned prospectors recognize this formation as a primary indicator of potential gemstone deposits. Consider the vivid example of bright white quartz veins, aggressively slashing through darker host rock. Quartz possesses a remarkable affinity for filling any crack or fissure it encounters. Consequently, wherever quartz flows and solidifies, the environmental conditions become ideal for the crystallization of valuable gemstones. Rubies, sapphires, and even emeralds frequently form either directly within these intricate quartz pathways or in their immediate vicinity. This clear, consistent veining pattern rapidly evolved into an indispensable guide for any serious prospector, effectively illuminating the routes to vast, hidden mineral wealth. However, the immense pressures beneath the Earth's surface sculpt more than just veins. While zigzag veins reveal gemstone pathways, an entirely different geological pattern signals profound Earth forces. Metamorphic folding presents as rocks twisted like ribbons or intensely folded like pages in a colossal book. This unmistakable formation unequivocally signifies immense, sustained heat and pressure, conditions paramount for the deep earth transformations that create precious minerals. Such forces resculpt the very structure of the stone, often indicating a history of extreme tectonic activity. Gemstones like garnets, spinels, and vibrant sapphires frequently trace their origins to these tortured landscapes, areas where intense geological stress created the perfect crucible for their formation. These warped structures are not random. They are direct, visible evidence of powerful tectonic forces, shaping specific environments where precious minerals crystallize. This foundational understanding of geological stress and its visible patterns in rock is critical. Yet the most thrilling clue emerges when these specific geological patterns don't just exist independently. While metamorphic folding itself signals immense pressure and gemstone potential, a truly electrifying clue emerges when these complex patterns combine. Imagine a quartz vein slashing directly through folded metamorphic stone. This represents two distinct geological forces colliding, essentially forming Earth's own treasure map. Such intersections have historically guided countless discoveries. In Sri Lanka, for example, miners meticulously followed quartz veins through ancient riverbeds, leading them to astonishing sapphire deposits that captivated royalty. Colombia's legendary emeralds were found by understanding the specific folds within black shale, acting as clear indicators of hidden wealth. Similarly, in Myanmar, intricate veins weaving through marble formations revealed rubies of unmatched fire and brilliance. These geological intersections aren't just chance occurrences, they are profound fingerprints of Earth's most valuable creations. However, interpreting these patterns requires more than just observation. Not every promising formation conceals riches, and understanding the subtleties is key to separating truth from illusion. The role of indicator minerals. While the intersecting patterns of veins and folds often act as Earth's profound treasure maps, nature presents a crucial challenge. Not every geological anomaly genuinely holds precious gems. Some veins are barren, empty, and cold, glowing with false promise. Learning to separate this illusion from truth is the true mark of a master prospector. It is not enough to simply find a promising pattern. One must discern if it truly signals wealth. The masters of discovery understand that gemstones rarely travel alone. They appear with specific mineral companions, natural signals that act like an intricate arrow system, pointing directly toward the hidden treasure. These indicator minerals are the key for differentiating between a barren crack in the stone and a deposit rich with potential. The Earth provides these companions as confirmation of its secrets, a geological breadcrumb trail. Without identifying these specific mineral associations, even the most impressive vein or dramatic fold could lead to a fruitless, costly excavation. Identifying these companions is paramount because their presence is a direct consequence of the unique geological conditions that favor gemstone formation. These minerals form under the same intense heat, pressure, and chemical environments that produce valuable gems. They aren't just coincidentally nearby, they are integral parts of the gemstone forming process itself. Recognizing these specific indicators prevents wasted effort, guides explorers with precision, and maximizes the chances of discovering significant deposits. This knowledge is the difference between blindly digging and strategically targeting the most promising sites. Equipped with this understanding, the next critical step involves identifying precisely which gemstone-specific indicators accompany each type of precious gem, along with water's invaluable telltale signs. Diamond hunters, for instance, don't just find kimberlite pipes, those ancient volcanic conduits plunging deep into the earth. They specifically track companion minerals, garnet, chromite, and olivine. Sapphires and rubies, corundum gems, often hide within marble or metamorphic schists, strange bands cutting through darker rock. Veins of spinel or traces of feldspar dramatically increase the chances of a find. Emerald hunters, meanwhile, follow black shale folded into tortured ribbons. When beryl crystals peer through, the green fire of emerald is often near. Beyond visual geological patterns and specific mineral companions, water offers the final, undeniable test. Rivers and streams act as natural sieves, washing away lighter material and concentrating heavier indicator minerals. Panners swirling sediments in mountain streams know that when garnets, spinels, or zircons glint at the bottom, the veins above demand further exploration. This system of patterns and indicators offers incredible insights, yet the Earth remains a cunning adversary. Despite the clear indicators from minerals and water, Earth remains a cunning trickster. Many veins promise immense treasure, but yield only barren rock. Glittering mica often fools the inexperienced, leading entire expeditions to collapse chasing false patterns. Yet those committed to mastering Earth's intricate language uncover riches beyond imagination. In Mog, Myanmar, dedicated hunters followed distinct marble veins. Their perseverance led to rubies so fiery they were believed to hold the very blood of Earth's heart, becoming legendary crown jewels. Similarly, Colombia's folded black shales unveiled emeralds that fundamentally changed gemstone history, flooding the world with an enduring green fire. These powerful patterns are not mere historical footnotes. They actively persist, waiting silently beneath our feet, etched into every mountain range, canyon wall, and fractured valley. This is the ultimate battle, Earth's profound secrecy against humanity's relentless curiosity. Rocks will resist, deceive, and rigorously test your resolve. True discovery, however, isn't about luck. It demands profound knowledge, unwavering patience, and the courage to perceive what countless others overlook. This understanding of Earth's enduring challenge sets us up perfectly for the ultimate lesson. Knowledge, patience, and the courage to see what others miss define the true explorer. Armed with this understanding, the landscape transforms. The next time you find yourself amidst nature's grandeur, truly observe. If you see a strange vein slashing across solid rock, a hill rising with distinct folds like ancient waves, or a band of marble gleaming uniquely against darker stone, these are Earth's profound messages. This specific pattern, understood by generations of prospectors and geologists, invariably signals that a gemstone could be nearby. Do not ignore these vital clues. They are the silent promises of discovery, etched in stone. If you want to witness more secrets of Earth's treasures and learn how to decode its ancient language, subscribe now to Lix Gemstones, where every stone tells a story.